Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sydney Airport. The local time is 20 to 11 o'clock at night. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt firmly fastened, keeping the aisles and exits clear until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Take care when opening overhead lockers as well, as some items may have moved during our flight. At this stage, we will be disembarking through the forward and the rear doors, and we will be refueling. Electronic devices may now be used with flight mode turned off, and for those of you leaving us via the rear door, they must not be used on the tarmac. Take care by using the handrails while disembarking via those stairs. Smoking is of course not permitted on the tarmac or inside the terminal. If you do find it difficult using those stairs, or you are afraid of the dark, you may prefer to wait and exit through the forward door. Once you have disembarked our aircraft this evening, please remain on the outside of the markets and follow any instructions given to you by the wonderful Sydney ground crew. If you are looking for a great deal on car rental today, please make sure you present your boarding pass to a Hertz, Thrifty or Europcar representative and earn Velocity points. Now, thank you so much for choosing to fly with Virgin Australia today. We do understand there has been some network disruptions as well with weather and all the rest. Certainly appreciate all of your patience throughout the course of today. Getting you back to Sydney has been our absolute pleasure. We appreciate you making that choice to fly with us and keep us in jobs that we love to do. On behalf of your entire crew, from our captain, Rob Bush, our first officer, Julian Taylor, Riri sitting here beside me, Georgia, Drew, who is actually only 3 weeks into her career within the organisation and doing an amazing job. We thank you all so much for choosing to fly with Virgin Australia today. I hope to see you again, perhaps throughout the Christmas period. I still find it amazing that it's only 11 days away. I still haven't done all my shopping. I hope you have an amazing weekend ahead, and we hope to see you again on a Virgin Australia flight in the not so distant future. Have a good one.